Hey guys, this is Adrian once again. Very powerful offer to make, guys. Now I'm gonna show you guys if you want to make money, right? If you want to make money in 2019 and beyond, you have to start understanding that the core of making money, guys. Um, if you want to fire your boss and you want to quit your job because you hate it, you got to find a business that making money. You gotta find a business that got good leaders. You gotta find good mentors. You have to change the way you think by reading books and watching videos. So you want to make money, right? That's why I'm making this video right here, guys. I want to explain to you what I want to help you with, guys. Because at the end of the day, you don't know me. I don't know you. But I have a passion to make money, right? I've been self-employed for the last 15, 16 years. So I have that passion. And the reason why I was self-employed for 15, 16 years, because the first book I read was by Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. And if you read that book, he had his poor dad was a professor at a college, and he had his rich dad that did investments, right? And he was making over 100 something $1 million a year. And the poor dad, his real dad, was making about 50,000 a year. So I had a desire at a young age in my 20s, young 20s, right? After the military. Now I came across this business where I'm in right now. See, it's real products. Let me show you. Real products. It's that mud right here for my face, right? It's called CBD hemp mud mask right there, guys. Now it's free to join, guys. Free. And you earn 20% off a free store they give you. Number one, a free store, guys. You have nothing to lose but the game. It's free. A free store. You get a free hosting. So they host the store website for you. Uh, and it's free to join. So, and you make 20% off all our products. And we have a lot, guys. A lot of products. So, but I'm going to add some additional to this, guys, because I think this is the new generation that we need to learn. Not just, you know, everything free we going to give you from the store, free hosting, free websites, free back office that teach you how to do these things. But also, if you join my team, guys, with the CTFO family, guys, I want to start a rotator link. So, but to be get your free account first. I'm gonna reach out to you, and I'm gonna show you different methods how to market this CTFO business for you on personal level between me and you. Every person that signed up with me, right? But I'm also gonna add you to my CTFO team rotator, guys. That's gonna be very powerful because I'm gonna help you get sales. Because one thing I like about this business, guys, we pay 5 levels deep. So even if I help you, I'm helping myself also. So being transparent with you. I made a lot of videos. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel or check my channel out, you'll see a lot of videos about the CTFO of ideas that I already doing. And I can show you what I'm doing already, guys. See this right here? I'm passing these out, I'm handing these out, I'm talking to people. So I'm doing it. So that is one idea, but I'm gonna help you guys because when I start doing these things like this, I'm gonna change it to the rotator link. So I'm gonna help you get sales, guys. But first, because I'm not going to do all that and spend my money in helping people that's not serious. I want serious people with this. Number one. Um, and then once you commit to ownership, as I am doing, on any product that's that you need. We got a lot, guys. Back problems, head problems, heart problems. So we got a lot of products, and it's products that will help you guys. It's nature from a plant. Okay, guys. So take it serious, but I'm also going to take it serious by helping you guys. So if you taking this serious, um, I'm gonna leave a link below, and I'm also gonna give you my funnel if you want to use my funnel, guys. So it's like 3 parts of a funnel. The first page, the second page, and then the last page. And that's the video to show you the comp plan, to show you how much you can actually earn from this business. That's the third page. So if you're taking this video serious, and you taking me serious, I definitely will contact you, and then we'll go from there, guys. Okay, once again, always love with your boy Adrian, and I want to help the most people as I can with this business, and you know, learn how to fire your boss, right? That's the motto. That's the goal, right? So if that's what you want to do, guys, take action. Set up your free account below this video. I'm gonna reach out to you. Leave a comment below and say I want to work with you, something like that, and I know you for real. And then we'll go from there, guys. It's 2019. You can't bet on these jobs no more, guys. Um, if if you're a getter, a money getter like me, let me show you how I do it. Set up your free account. I'll talk to you on the phone. Uh, get on auto ship, so I know you for real. And then let me help you build your funnel for you. Let me show you some things, guys. What I can do. All right. Once again, it's your friend Adrian. New video for was it April 8th. All right, guys. Peace.